Alhamdulillah. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Alhamdulillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalatu wassalamu ala asrofil anbiya wal mursalin wa ala alihi wasahbihi ajmain amma ba'du. Today I want to show you my presentation, my internship report presentation at PLN Persero, and my name is Azmi Arief from 12 RPL. So let's get started. Okay, first chapter 1, Introduction. Fieldwork practice activities carried out by students of SMK Madinatulquran majoring in software engineering are a curriculum that must be met every student to get final grades, as well as deepen the knowledge that has been obtained at school. Fieldwork practices are carried out to train and provide teaching to students in the relevant industrial or business world, to prepare students to have technical abilities with broad and flexible insights in era of technological and scientific progress. Improve the quality in vocational high school. And we go to objective. And first is to introduce the world of work. Second, gaining insight to the world of work. Third, train to communicate or interact in the world of work. And fourth, get more information about the company. Okay, next, and we got benefits of industrial practice. First, can add to the basic knowledge of students. Second, can form a constructive mindset for students. Can third, can form an ethos for students. And the fourth, honing the skills by vocational high school. And we go to chapter 2. Chapter 2 is about a company overview or company story. So, PLN is the state electricity company. PLN is part of the company under the Ministry of SOS, a company engaged in power generation and development. PLN has been around since 19th century, which was founded by a Dutch-owned sugar and tea factory. At that time, they took the initiative to build a power plant infrastructure for factories. Okay, next, uh, vision and missions of PLN. So, vision of PLN is to be a leading electricity company in Southeast Asia and number one customer choice for energy solutions. And for the missions, first is carrying out business activities that are environmentally sound. And second, running the electricity business and other related fields oriented to customer satisfaction, company members, and shareholders. And the third, making electricity as a medium to improve the quality of people's lives. Okay, next, uh, the next slide. Okay, in this slide, just about the icon of PLN and the structure of PLN. Okay, let's go for the next slide. Uh, okay, we go to chapter 3. Chapter 3 is a theoretical basis. Theoretical basis about IT. IT is information technology or IT or in Indonesian technology informasi or TI. It's a general term for any technology that assists humans in creating, converting, storing, communicating, or disseminating information. IT performs a variety of functions from installing applications to designing computer networks and information databases. Some of the tasks that IT performs may include data management, networking, computer hardware engineering, database and software design, and overall systems management and administration. Second, about IT support. Basically, IT support itself is a technician in an organization or company who is responsible for the installation, evaluation, and improvement of three main objects, namely computers, software, and network system development. IT support is also an important position and part and must exist in a company, institution, or all service-oriented fields or anything that requires IT. The use of IT in this modern era is very vital and has become a basic need because most of the work requires IT. Without IT support, companies or organizations will find it difficult to prepare and handle IT, such as installation, networking, and so on. Okay, we go to chapter 4. Chapter 4 is about internship activities. First, time and place of internship. Fieldwork practice or PKL started from August to 2021 to October 22 at at, at PLN Persero WP2B. And the equipment that I need first is handphone, laptop, second handphone, the third is internet, the fourth is Visual Studio Code, fifth is mail app from the office, and sixth is a five Zoom account from the office to share links and start meetings. And supports an obstacle from field work practice support a fairly good skill and internet. The obstacle is not appropriate field. And it's my job. First, my job is manage the web mail application, taking care of the web mail application given from the office. With this application, all I have to do is respond to a mail request for a Zoom meeting room that must be scheduled every day. And secondly, Quest book web application creation. Making this Questbook application was the first task that my supervisor assigned me and I tried to make it and it took about three until 4 days. First is first to create a guestbook application, I created a login form to be able to access the application. And then after making the login form, I tried to make the contents of the guestbook application and also the logout button to exit the application. Then next I was given a webmail application that I had to take care of and was also told how it worked. I was given a task of responding to all room Zoom meetings request message that must be taken care of every day. Next, uh, oh, these are five Zoom accounts to take care of all the room Zoom request message that must be prepared every day. Okay, we go to the conclusion. Conclusion is a very positive and meaningful new experience. Knowing the actual working conditions, it can be concluded that as long as street vendors can help the company, there are many lessons and knowledge from the company that can be deep, deepened for the future. Sorry. Okay. Next we go to oh next we go to the suggestion. Suggestion for companies. It is recommended to the company to not hesitate in giving assignment to street vendor children. Try to give assignments as long as they are given guidance first before the task is carried out so that the results are effective and efficient. Then it's even better if street vendor student can be street vendors in the company directly or offline, not online, so that you can feel more about the world of work during the street vendors. And suggestion for students to tackle students to prepare themselves by mastering lessons that will be applied in the industry to make it easier to carry out field work practices in the company. And also for PK students, the most important advice is to maintain the good name of the school, maintain attitude, keep talk, and obey good regulations in company. Okay, that's all for me. Thank you for your attention. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.